Mr. Aditya can't stop recording.
Expect surprises, laughs, and maybe even a few tears.
Today we're meeting a bride that's flown in all the way from Guwahati.
Let's go meet her and welcome to
Behind the Big Day.
Get ready for takeoff.
Welcome to Behind the Big Day. I'm Avantika.
And I'm Shrishti. In this series, we're styling real brides for the most important day of their lives. We asked our followers to share their stories with us.
And trust the process and be ready to have fun.
We'll help you find your dream outfit, get you the right hair and makeup, and also help you with the perfect jewelry. Out of which we pick some incredible brides to be.
Wait, there's like an ivory peachish sort of piece over here.
I really love it, but I'm not sure only because like her guests are also going to be wearing ivory. So that's only. But let's definitely
try it, 'cause this is
it's not.
ombre and it's
more
something
beige and
different.
brown. So yeah, let's do this. I think
Let's do
it's a
this
nice
for
option
sure.
for sure.
You know what? When
I
you
think
were-
all the pieces are anyway so different. So I'm sure like she likes something.
And actually, with the patchwork, there's another shade also.
Oh yeah.
There's this purple shade which maybe
Yeah.
she can try this.
Oh, I'm actually liking the work on this one anyway more.
But I like the
think we
blouse
should-
of this one more.
That's true. But we can make her try both of them. So then maybe we can see what's working best on her.
Done. I think we have our picks.
Yeah, I think more than this,
Yeah, I think, and red is completely
out of the picture.
So let's
This is
not
the
look at
closest
red.
we have to like maybe
Still a different
still a
kind of red.
Yeah,
Okay, I think
I
we
think
have
we
it,
have it.
Shrishti.
Yeah, let's wait
Come.
for let her come and we'll finalize.
Hi. So nice to finally meet you.
Finally, actually,
Yeah, finally
like we've
we've
just been
met.
talking online and finally to see you in person, it feels so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, come, let's get started on your outfit.
Let's go.
Okay, so Tanvi, tell us a little bit about your love story and about Aditya.
Okay, so Aditya is somebody who I met around a year back from today, and I think he's completely changed my life from the time he's walked
That's so
in.
sweet.
And our love story started from his side. He had heard about me from somebody in his family. I think his mother was talking to somebody else about me, and then he found me on Instagram, and then he sent me a request.
Detective mode, huh?
Yeah, and I think for initially for the first 4 months he was liking all the stories that I was putting up, and then I was very curious to know him. And then one fine day around in the evening, I texted him, "Hey, what's up?" And I think he
Wow.
was waiting for that message, and from there we started talking, and that's how our
So
love
tables
story
turned
started.
basically.
Yes, yes. So when we started talking and things started unfolding, we realized that we studied in the same city. Both of us went to boarding schools. So he went to another boarding school in Dehradun and I went to another boarding school in the same city. After that, for college also, he was in Bombay and even I was in Bombay. But surprisingly,
Destiny has its way of making you
That
two meet,
is
basically.
actually amazing.
Yeah.
and we had actually never bumped into each other or seen each other, and our families also knew each other somehow, but still we didn't know of each other until the Instagram request. So that's how, and then we realized that I think
It's all
we
about
wanna-
the
Yeah.
timing, and you guys met at the perfect time.
Yeah.
Or let's say Rab ne bana di jodi.
How is your style like different from Aditya's style? Like,
So generally, if we talk about general clothes, he's a lot about, I think, bold colors, and if he likes one color, he'll have 10 shirts of that same color. Or
All
if-
men, basically.
Yeah. And I think mine is more, I like experimenting with colors, with prints, with different styles of clothes, which is something men don't even have so many options, but he goes with more of the
Classics.
bolds and the classics, so
Yeah.
the normal ones. Yeah, that's
We're so
his-
excited to
Got
like
it, yeah.
dress you up and
Yes.
let's quickly get going.
let's get
Done.
going.
Let's go.
Okay, so this is the first lehenga. You want to just turn around so everybody can see it once?
Yeah.
And how do you feel in it?
I think it's looking nice, but since all my guests are wearing ivory, I'm
yeah.
not sure. No,
Honestly,
I think
it's stunning on you.
Yeah.
I absolutely like love this ombre effect. But
I don't think, keeping the guest list and all in mind, I don't think the color is working for sure. However, it's looking really nice on you. Auntie, Aditya, आपको क्या लगता है?
I mean, I like it, but I think you can do better. Like I like the glittery part of it, but the colors a little too like common. I think.
Okay.
आंटी आपको क्या लगता है?
अच्छा लग रहा है इसका शेड भी अच्छा लग रहा है मगर बस वो गेस्ट लुक का
Guest
सेम
look सब
कलर है
ivory
तो वो
pant है,
मर्ज हो
हाँ।
जाएगा पूरा
तो आइवरी इज आउट ऑफ
Yeah,
द
out of
ऑप्शन
option completely.
हाँ ये थोड़ा सा मिक्स है ombre है
Beige brown में जाता है, पर let's change. Let's try the next
I
one.
think
Okay.
it's clear that
This is out.
This
This is
is
out
out.
of the
This
picture.
is out, for
yeah
sure.
so let's try the next lehenga.
Okay.
Come.
What was your first impression of Tanvi, like
When
when
you
you saw
when you
her the
met her,
first
yeah.
time in person?
When we met in person, I thought that she was like we aligned in a lot of ways. Like we have had the same schooling, same kind of college background, and then we had similar interests. And she just seemed a lot of fun, and just wanted to be around her because she just got something out of me. And
Yeah.
I'm very quiet like that,
Yeah.
but with her I can speak, and it doesn't feel like
It feels natural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you felt that from the first meeting?
From the first meet.
That's
yeah.
amazing.
That's also very rare to
Yeah,
find.
that is.
Yeah. That's so sweet and like really nice to hear. And I think when Tanvi was telling us also about you guys and how you all have actually just known each other for 1 year, but that 1 year I feel like when you know the person, you just know the person and you know it's right. So yeah, that's super sweet.
Oh my god.
I genuinely love this on you.
This
I know
is
you don't like red,
stunning.
but I really like this.
It's so pretty. Let's turn for their reaction.
I think this is looking nice, but I'm not very sure about red.
We knew it.
But this is like a mix, na? Like there's rust also, and there's
This is again an ombre lehenga, which I'm also loving because it's not purely red. It's not like a rust, but I think the rust color is suiting you a lot. So we should retain the rust. Maybe
Change something.
Yeah, but I'm really liking this. Yeah.
This red I like. This is not the red.
It's a little different
Yeah.
red. And the dupatta also I think is very nice.
And I'm loving the V-neck on you. Like we should definitely do the V-neck on you for
One
sure.
second. Yeah.
Like,
Looks good. आंटी आपको क्या लग रहा है?
ये कलर अच्छा लग रहा है रस्ट कलर
हाँ.
और वर्क थोड़ा मुझे कम पसंद आ रहा है इसका
Work इतना.
हाँ वर्क
Yeah.
इतना सो
plus jewelry के साथ I'm not sure.
हाँ ज्वेलरी के साथ भी मैच नहीं
ये
कर
वाला
Yeah.
लहंगा जाएगा.
Your set, if I forget, I mean,
It
if
has
I
the
forgot
emeralds,
it, emeralds.
polki with emeralds. Yeah,
Yes.
Got it.
So
विद द ग्रीन टच
yeah, with the green touch. So.
I think it would go because अभी nowadays contrast works, so it will definitely go.
Okay.
But I understand आपको like work इतना अच्छा नहीं
If
लग
it's
रहा है.
not 100%, I feel like
we
definitely
should try something else.
else.
Yeah.
So anything else that we've picked out that you've been wanting to try or like anything that
I think there was this one lehenga that we saw that had different
Yeah.
colors.
The patchwork one. I
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
I know.
I
The one
liked
which we had picked out first.
Okay,
Yeah,
fine,
yeah.
fine.
Let's try
Alright,
that.
let's try that.
Yeah, let's try.
Okay,
Let's
cool.
go for it.
Come on.
Come, carefully. The patchwork is like it for me. I'm
is
loving it.
so
Yeah.
beautiful.
And again, unique. I think that's what you were looking for. And it's very different from the other pieces that we've seen.
Yeah. You
Come
wanna
on,
just-
let's do a quick turn for
Ta-da!
Auntie is
क्या लग
gold
रहा
on
है?
this. Auntie आपका gold भी है इसमें. And not your red.
This
And
has
auntie
all
आपको
the
different
colors.
pastel colors.
And this has
Like,
glitter also. So this
is this like matching everyone's requirements, meeting everyone's requirements?
I actually think it's really nice. I love this color. Like this was on
Yeah,
the
the
same color
rust,
on the previous
yeah,
one.
yeah.
But I think that there is one lehenga I had seen in the same style, which
In different
has a little
colours,
bit
yeah.
of more color on it. And I think you need that color for your personality to make it even more unique. I'll just
We have two lehengas actually which are the same in different colors, like
We'll
with different
just
patchwork
get it
colors.
for you just a second.
What do you think about this lehenga? Like, is this what you're liking?
Yeah. I'm feeling like
You're
myself.
feeling like yourself.
Yeah,
that's the
so
most important. I feel as a
yeah.
bride.
so there is this lehenga.
Yeah, this has a more
Which is
like more pop of color.
Got more
Yeah.
of a pop of color if you can see.
Yeah.
What do you
That's
think?
true.
Maybe this would work better.
Yeah. I
Auntie
think-
and Aditya, don't you think this
Yeah,
would...
yeah. This is brighter. I feel.
It's
like
brighter
the colors are
and
popping up.
it's-
I think it'll also enhance her skin tone, everything
will.
better
Color
for
भी
sure.
super
Yeah.
bright
I think
and
this is
also
way
for
more
dull.
unique. I don't think I've seen any bride
Wear
wear
something.
such colors
Yeah.
in such a way.
Yeah.
And you know what Kajal was telling us before you came, that there are unique motifs on each and every
each block,
patchwork
yeah, yeah.
over here. So,
But I think what we can do is, because of course this base is purple, maybe we can stick to the rust base.
Yeah.
So that overall it matches the color that she's liking. So maybe this base can be rust, and then we can stick to this color palette. However, we can maintain this patchwork.
Shashi,
What do you
I
think?
that the rust and rust might clash. I think we should do the light pink base with this patchwork.
I meant this base only, because I don't think we can achieve it in such a dark color. But yeah, you be
so this base, I think we're on the same
Same page, yeah,
This
yeah.
base and this patchwork.
patchwork, yeah.
Literally this patchwork on this lehenga.
with this blouse and this dupatta. I think we should try on a veil just
Yeah,
to see
yeah,
how it's
I was-
looking.
Let's try on a veil.
Can we have a veil, please? Now this is Tanvi in her pure bridal element, guys.
Oh my god.
It's
This is it
yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
I don't want to put pressure on you, but this
Yeah.
is it for me.
I also feel like you're looking so, like it's looking so nice, right? I can only imagine with hair and makeup, like
Hair,
how
makeup,
beautiful it'll look on the main
and
day.
jewelry. Should we add
Yeah.
some jewelry as
Yeah,
well
maybe
to
let's
see
do that,
how?
yeah,
Because
yeah.
first I want to know from you.
I
How
want
are
to
you
tone and
feeling?
see.
Yeah, just see yourself.
Yeah. I think this is.
Mr. Aditya can't stop recording.
That's fine.
Aditya, don't worry, on the wedding day it'll be like even more.
Depends on her mood.
And let me also actually tell you that rust, like this orange palette, is the color of the year.
It is
also.
Yeah.
So
trending.
it's
and
really
that's
trending, yeah.
After I saw Alia wear it in like Rocky
Kudmai?
Nani. Kudmai, yes. But I mean,
Or
that was a
Vekamlia,
little
wasn't it?
different.
Vekamlia?
No, it was in the
Oh,
final
sorry, yeah,
shot.
yeah. This color just grew on all of us. I think it's beautiful.
Tell me what you're thinking, what you're feeling.
No, I think this is like the perfect combination of what I wanted, because it's not all red. This color was looking good on me, which
Yeah.
is actually coming up everywhere. I wanted something a little pastel, so I think
Yeah.
that's also happened. The colors also happened, and everything's looking good put together.
Yeah.
So I think.
And I don't, again, like I said, I don't think I've seen any bride wear something like
The
this.
multiple colour
The
patchwork.
multiple color patchwork, and I think it's just
And I think the
stunning.
best part is I'm feeling like a bride in this, like amongst everything,
everything
that
else,
I've
yeah.
won. So I think I've made up my mind.
Yeah.
on this.
But I
Aditya,
Probably not approval.
so do you think that this is the dress, guys?
Yes, yes. This, that.
आंटी आपको क्या लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। ये बहुत खिल के आया इस पे।
हाँ, बहुत जच रहा है ना.
बहुत जच रहा है।
हाँ. तो
Very
आप
nice.
आप इमेजिन कर
Very
सकते हो
nice.
कि वो ऐसे चल के आएगी. So we'll speak to Kajal and we'll tell her to do this customization.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where we basically are bringing this color patchwork on this lehenga and
यही base
creating
रहेगा.
a full custom look for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, full custom piece. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah,
I think I'm fully on board.
I'm also
More
on
than me,
board.
you have to be.
Yeah,
on
yeah,
board.
yeah. But I'm happy with this.
Are
Like,
you
out of
sure
everything.
about this patchwork instead of that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think the work also we should pick it up from here.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
all of them are looking pretty nice, I think.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
this is a brighter look.
Yeah, it's a brighter look. And since Varmala will be like during sunlight around sundowner, so I think
Yeah.
it will stand out
It will
even
stand
more.
out
Yeah.
even more.
Also,
Yeah.
so wearable later on. Like I don't know. I just believe in versatility. So I think you
Yeah, with other things, with other blouses.
Cool, perfect. I think we have it, and he's still not stopping.
Honestly, I would tell you to we would tell you to go for this color only, the purple. But I think that the purple makes it really like mehendi vibes.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
And this
This
like
colour.
pinkish color is more bridal, more sundowner.
For sure.
For sure. So I think
Well, I think we all are
we're
aligned.
set on this.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I think
Yeah.
everyone is on board.
Okay, I'm
with this.
excited. I can't wait for the meeting.
Yeah.
It's amazing how you this is your third lehenga and you finalized
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
But
and I'm glad, like,
when
this,
you know,
honestly,
you know.
this was mine and Mantika's first pick. Like, when we
Yeah.
came here,
Yeah.
we were like, this is the lehenga that we really
Oh.
like. But we were not sure because patchwork is something not everyone, you know, can
carry
like, but
it.
yeah, but beautiful.
Okay,
Done,
so
guys, yeah.
I think we're done.
I never wanted to be a red bride, so that's the reason it didn't sit well with me. But I loved the rust color that was on the lehenga. I think it was a little typical. I want to be a little offbeat bride, not wear something that's been worn before or something that we see a lot on Instagram or anywhere else. When I wore it the first time and when I looked at myself, I knew that in my heart, I knew that I wanted to get married wearing that outfit. But when I tried the orange, I think it really made me feel more like myself. I just knew that this is what is bringing out the best in me, so that's how I decided. I finally found the lehenga that I actually wanted to get married in, and this is all that happens behind the big day.